Ayush, we got this from Haldiram's, right? This is Dahi Puri and that is Bhelpuri. So can you please take the first bite and tell me how it is? What do you want to try first? Okay, try Ayush. Mama is very hungry. Okay, okay. Then next you have to, because this is, yeah, careful Raja, first bite. Yes. How are you holding it, Ayush? Very good. When Ayush was a baby, we used to come here. This is Inorbit Mall and Inorbit Mall, and this is Gabru Chap. It's just an interesting place. So, are you sure? Use a tissue, and then you tell me how the Bhelpuri is. Is it good? Thumbs up. Okay. So, and okay, for Bhelpuri we'll do another bit.